In this video, I'm going to show you how to add templates to Docusign. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Home tab over here, and over here where it says Get Started, you should look for the Use a Template button, which is going to be the third one over here. Click on the Use a Template, and then here you'll be able to search for your starter templates, or you can just scroll down and then you'll be able to see them. Of course, you can filter these by category as well, like this, and if you have your own templates, you can search them over here on the left. You can go to Shared with Me, you can go to All Templates, etc. in case you have something in there. But for this, I'm going to go to Starter, and then I'm going to select a random one. So let's say I want to add this purchase order over here, as well as a sales contract or whatever. You'll just basically have to select it. So let's do a purchase order first, and then you want to click on Add Selected. This will then get added, and then over here, as you can see, your template has been uploaded in here. Now, once you're happy with this, you want to go over here, add in your recipients like you usually would, and then you want to, of course, put in their emails, their numbers, etc. And then once you are happy with what you've done over here, you have to put in a message, so an email subject, and then an email message. You want to go to Next. And then over here, there should be these fields in here already. So as you can see, it's already going to be basically preset for you. And you can just go ahead and add in if something is missing. So for example, the date over here, that's missing. And then the signature is missing as well. I'm going to put it over here like this. There we go. And of course, the name for who it's going to be authorized by. And after you're happy with that, you can preview it, then click on Send, and you've successfully added your template to Docusign and used it to actually send it to somebody. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.